What can take the cold? Hello friends, welcome back again. I am at Lowe's. I'm checking to see which plant or which flowers who can take the cold weather. I think those are some brand new plants coming out. This thing can take the weather. Oh, $73? Jesus. Oh, this plant. Oh, not mine. No, I don't want this one. Oh, no, that's a lot of money. You can tell. Oh, I think gardening it's, look at this. All those things are, Lords are getting it. All of those things are dying. Look at this. Those are cooking. Cooking. Oh, Lowe's. I'm not the only one. I'm not happy, but jeez. Oh, Lord. My garden, not the only one. Of course, look at the fern. Or cooking. Like you burning them. Look at this. Those grass are still alive, but I know if they was at home, they will be died. They will be dead. But here, they're still alive. Look, oh, look at those one. I don't know how those things are still that fresh. Those are Asta. They're not fresh. Woo, look at our gingers, guys. That mean after this week, it's time to come hate the Lowe's. This high gingers was $24.98. They will put it 50% down. But me, nah. I don't want no more plants. I'm good. Thank you friends for watching.